In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email marketing flow in Klaviyo with some easy tips. If you break it down into straightforward steps, creating an automated email flow can be both simple and effective. So let's dive right in and get started on building your email marketing flow. The first thing you need to do is define your goal. It's important to ask yourself why you're setting up this flow. Are you nurturing new subscribers? If so, you might consider a welcome flow. Are you aiming to recover lost sales? Then an abandoned cart flow might be ideal, or perhaps you want to re-engage inactive customers, in which case a win-back flow could be your best bet. Once you've clearly identified your goal, it will be much easier for you to design and structure your emails around that aim. Next, you'll want to create a new flow within Klaviyo. Head over to the Flows section and click on Create Flow. Here's where you have the choice to either select a pre-built template or start from scratch depending on your comfort level. If you're new to Klaviyo, I recommend starting with one of their templates. They have some great ones for common flows like a welcome series, abandoned cart, or post-purchase follow-up. These templates can serve as a useful foundation, saving you lots of time and effort. Now that your flow is underway, it's time to choose a trigger and any necessary filters. Your flow will start when a specific action occurs. In this example, given that we're working with an abandoned cart flow, a common trigger is added to cart but no purchase. This specific trigger helps with abandoned cart recovery, ensuring you reach out to customers who almost made a purchase but didn't complete the transaction. With your triggers set, you can now move on to designing the actual emails. Klaviyo's drag and drop email editor makes customization straightforward and intuitive. When designing your emails, focus on creating engaging subject lines that will catch the customer's attention. For instance, you might use something like "Your cart is waiting, 10% off inside." Also, personalize your emails using dynamic tags like "Hey, your first name," and ensure you include effective calls to action such as "Claim your discount now." Adding delays between emails is another key aspect. For your abandoned cart flow, you might set it up like this. Send your first email an hour after the cart is abandoned, follow up with a second email 24 hours later featuring a discount, and send a final reminder email 48 hours after that. Finally, before you launch your flow, make sure to test it thoroughly by sending test emails. This will help you verify that everything is working as expected and that your emails appear as intended. By following these steps, you'll have a robust email marketing flow set up in no time, ready to engage with your audience effectively. So go ahead, give it a try, and transform your email marketing with Klaviyo.